What's the hardest thing about being a doctor? I had a 7-year-old girl come to us in an ambulance with her skull completely shattered. The parents were in tears while explaining that she was playing on a swing when she fell off head first onto the concrete beneath her. My team and I got to work on this girl immediately and started a life-saving operation. For 10 hours we put our blood, sweat and tears into it, doing everything we could to save her life while a nurse stayed with the parents and soothed them the entire time. The surgery was a difficult and gruesome one, with one of my team members having to be escorted out of the room after passing out. Even despite this, we kept trying and the operation was going just as planned. However, a fatal error was made and the girl died on the table. But a miracle happened. She came back to life and we continued working. I can honestly say we did everything we could. I'll never forget coming out of the room, having to tell the parents that their daughter ultimately passed away and was pronounced clinically dead. The mother slumped to her knees and let out a blood-curdling cry, and I had to take a minute to bawl my eyes out in the bathroom.